Hello, good evening. We're having me and the Lisa we having dinner here at the Somerset 313 MRT Orchard, Singapore. Okay, this is Singapore. We're having our dinner here. We're having pork, okay, and soup, vegetable. Enjoy po. At the food court 313, okay, Somerset. Enjoy March 25, 2026, okay? March 25, 2026, okay? Enjoy Singapore. We have this thing there. I get, this simple get for me my new iPad, Oppo iPad, okay? And his new phone again. I get new phone again because I recontract this Oppo also. And it's better stick, yeah. Okay? With okay, March 25, 2026. With the iPad, okay? I want to unboxing this later on at home. Enjoy Singapore. We had a quick dinner. We had a dinner with some